Are you in need of hassle-free and efficient waste management solutions? Look no further than Reed Maintenance Services Incorporated. We are your trusted partner for roll-off dumpster rental services. At Reed Maintenance Services Incorporated, we understand that waste removal can be a challenge. That's why we offer a range of dumpster sizes tailored to your specific needs, whether you're working on a residential project or managing a construction site. Booking a dumpster with us is easy. Simply visit our website at www.reeddumpsters.com or give us a call at 256-640-7888. We have a user-friendly online platform where you can select the right dumpster size and schedule a rental in just a few clicks. But that's not all. We're not just about convenience, we're also committed to environmental responsibility. Reed Maintenance Services Incorporated ensures that your waste is handled and disposed of in an eco-friendly manner, contributing to a greener future. Choose Reed Maintenance Services Incorporated for your roll-off dumpster rental needs and experience efficiency, affordability, and environmental consciousness in one package. Contact us today at 256-640-7888 or visit our website at www.reeddumpsters.com. Let us be your partner in responsible waste management.